Hi everybody, sanibonani. Welcome to my channel igama lami nguNtando Mdletshe, and on this channel sikhuluma ama-reality TV shows, ama-celebrities kanye nama-YouTubers. If it's your first time joining me today and you really like my content, do not forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell. So please guys, those who are new to the channel, watch a few videos, watch a few lives, see if you like it, you like the content, you like how it's presented, okay? We can't have new people in the channel coming over here telling us, I would watch this channel if you would do it like this. This is how it's done here. Okay. If you say you like this channel, this is how we do it. Okay. Like us as we are. Otherwise, there's many other personalities here on YouTube and different kinds of content that is being presented in different ways. We even do the same stories, but in different ways. So you choose, okay? Moderators of the internet, not over here. We don't have a moderator general here on YouTube, okay? So make sure that if you click the subscribe button, it's because you like the channel, you like how we do it here and when we do it here, okay? Anyway, you guys, I have 2 stories to do today. I'm only going to do 2 stories today, you guys, because I was trying to do this video yesterday and my network just wouldn't work, and I was like, you know what, let me just wait and do it as a live. Jub Jub was in court yesterday, you guys. We do forget about the fact that he is actually facing very serious charges, and he's attending his own court case. Interesting enough, Jub Jub is Kelly Khumalo's baby daddy, okay? Kelly Khumalo's ex, while at the same time, Kelly Khumalo's late, other late baby daddy, his case is also going on, Senzo Meyiwa, you guys, and there is a trial within a trial going on right now where they are trying to determine if the confessions that the accused, 2 of the accused allegedly made, can be submitted as evidence in court, can be accepted as evidence in court. And one of the accused, Muzi Sibiya, was testifying in court yesterday. You guys, we're going to go through that article that talks about what happened in court, what he is saying, responding to what Brigadier Gininda had said about the confessions, you guys. Anyway, welcome. I appreciate you guys being here. Like I said yesterday, make sure that you are subscribed to Reality Buzz TV, my other channel, so that anything that is reality TV gossip, we do it over there. If you are one of those people that are crazy about talking about Uthando Nesithembu, make sure that you are subscribed to that channel. The conversation is going on, it never ends, okay? The comments wake me up at night. That channel is going to do very well, I suspect, because we are very close to actually getting the hours so that we can get that channel monetized. Okay, so let's do the story. Sika Jub Jub, what happened with Jub Jub appearing in court yesterday, you guys. I think I want to read this one from Zimoja, but I'll go back to reading the one from the Sunday World, because I just want to go back to reminding ourselves what he is being accused of, or what he is being charged with, Jub Jub. So it says here, the case against Jub Jub postponed again. This is a story by Sibonelo Zwane. So he made an appearance in court yesterday. Once again, the matter against Jola 99 presenter and musician Molemo Jub Jub Marohanye has been postponed again. A seemingly displeased Jub Jub appeared briefly at the Johannesburg Magistrate Court, accompanied by his 2 uncles and cousin and a bodyguard. Like a pantula, he was dressed in a khaki. Like a pantula, he was dressed in a khaki 2-piece and his shirt unbuttoned. I need to find a video. Unbuttoned, revealing his white vest and wore maroon white velvet shoes. Yeah, Jub Jub, he thought he was going for a performance. The next thing, he'll be invoicing the court. Listen, you need to pay me for my appearance, okay? Jub Jub is facing an array of charges ranging from multiple counts of RAPE, indecent AS, and AS with an intention to cause G, bodily harm, and several counts of kidnapping. The matter was brought forward by 3 complainants who are in a public domain and once dated him. The matter was previously postponed to give the defense time to review the information received from the state regarding the alleged AS and RAPs. That's the thing, you guys, that even the last time that the case was postponed, this is the same reason that they gave, that they wanted to review the documents that they had received from the state. Today, Jub Jub's defense lawyer, Advocate Terence Baloyi, asked for another postponement. I must place it on record that we have received further particulars which we had requested. They were not satisfactory, but I had a chat with my learned colleague and they said there's nothing further that they can provide. Therefore, we will have to work with what we have, said Baloyi. He added that they have made a move to work by submission of facts which are based on a discussion he had with the state. State Prosecutor Agnes Bezuidenhout emphasized that she conversed with the defense and explained to him that they have furnished them with all the documents that they have requested. I have indicated that to the defense that we have given them all the information that we could, and he said that they will request for further postponement. As the state, we are not opposing that. However, the investigation to the matter has been completed a long time ago. The defense has been provided with an annexure of charges. She said the matter has been postponed to early March for the defense to make submissions to the state for the representations for a way forward. It looks like, you guys, it sounds like the state is ready to proceed with this case, but the defense is not, okay? They're probably trying to think, how do we defend you in this one? I do think that Jub Jub is in trouble, you guys. However, this is South Africa. We have seen people get away with worse, so I wouldn't be shocked if he gets away with this one, okay? I'm tempted to think that he did it, okay? Of course, the circumstances under which everything happened are arguable, okay? You can argue, they were in a relationship, how come they stayed for so long without talking about it, all of that. But the question is, did the app happen? You know, I'm tempted to believe that it did. Anyway, you guys, then I wanted to just go to that Sunday World article that also talks about this case, just for us to remind ourselves. You could see Konjo, who is accusing Jub Jub of what, you guys. Remember, he is facing, let me just do this. Okay, he is facing 3 counts of RAPE, 2 counts of attempted M, and 1 count of AS, okay? So it says here, TV personality Amanda DuPont is one of the 4 complainants in the case, okay? DuPont accuses Jub Jub of airing her repeatedly. You see, now that's why I don't like reading from the Sunday World anymore, because something happens with this article, okay? So, yeah. So he accuses Jub Jub of airing her repeatedly during their 2-year relationship. So Amanda DuPont is one of the people that are accusing Jub Jub of R. The state witnesses include Jub Jub's baby mama, Kelly Khumalo's mother, Untombi Khumalo. So Kelly Khumalo's mother is going to be one of the people that will testify in court. Also, Amanda DuPont's sister is going to also testify in court, as well as Masichaba Khumalo's friend. Okay, I don't know why in this article they're not mentioning Masichaba and Kelly Khumalo, because I believe that Kelly Khumalo and Masichaba are also the accused, one of the people, 2 of the 4 people that are accusing Jub Jub of an R. And then there's also some cousin somewhere that is also accusing him of an R. So these are the 3 people that will be testifying against Jub Jub, you guys. So I do wonder, you guys, when it comes to Kelly Khumalo's mom, what she will be testifying on, maybe the AS, you know, because of course, if there was GBV in their relationship, maybe she witnessed some things between Jub Jub and Kelly Khumalo, and she would be able to say, yes, on this particular day, this is what happened, or on this particular day, this is what I was told. I wonder what a friend is going to testify. I wonder what Amanda Dupont's sister is going to testify, but there is a claim that one of the R's took place in front of Amanda Dupont's sister. Like there is such, like imagine your sister getting asked in front of you. Okay, I wonder how this case is going to go. Jub Jub always looks very confident in courts. Like he always looks like he's like, guys, like, can we just be done with this? Like, he's like, listen, you're wasting my time here. I have things to do. Okay, we are Jola 99 to shoot. You guys are wasting my time. He always looks like he feels like they're just wasting her time there by the court. Anyway, you guys, let's move on to the Muzi Sibiya's testimony, because Muzi Sibiya is one of the 5 accused men in the Senzo Meyiwa case. I wanted to say 4. This is a story written by Unompilo Sibiya for the Sunday World. Okay, this is a Sunday World article, but I want to read it from my phone because something happens with these articles when you try to open them live, where you can't really read them. So it says here, Muzi Sibiya denies confessing to Senzo Meyiwa's This is a story by Unompilo Zulu, written yesterday. Muzi Sibiya, one of the 5 men on the trial of the M of the former Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa, has denied confessing to the crime. Sibiya's testimony in the Pretoria High Court on Monday shed light to his arrest and the first admission. Okay, Sibiya's Meyiwa was asked and Kate at a home of his girlfriend Kelly Khumalo on the 14th. No, in October 2014. The court has heard from witnesses that 2 intruders invaded Kelly Khumalo home and demanded cell phones and money, leading to a scuffle that resulted in Meyiwa's passing. It is alleged that Sibiya and Tanzi confessed to their involvement in the M during the arrest in 2020. Okay, so that's what they are claiming. Okay. So now, however, a trial within a trial, in the Meyiwa case, which aimed at determining the admissibility of the confession, revealed that Meyiwa's M was a contractual killing implicating all 5 suspects in various roles, and Khumalo as the mastermind, Khumalo being Kelly Khumalo. Advocate Tulani, it's doing the same here. Advocate Tulani Mgomezulu, representing Sibiya and Tanzi, argued that the client was subjected to AS and coercion during the arrest. Okay, lead investigator Brigadier Bongani Gininda previously testified that Sibiya had allegedly boasted to acquaintances in KwaZulu-Natal about his involvement in the M. After his arrest, Sibiya was said to have pointed out a crime scene and described. Hey guys, you'll have to bear with me. I have to make up another plan about how I read this. Okay, so it says here. Okay. After the arrest, Sibiya was said to have pointed out the crime scene and described how the shooting occurred. Additionally, the traditional here reportedly linked Sibiya to the M before and after the shooting. Kinenda asserted that both Sibiya and Tanzi willingly confessed and guys, what's happening? I think they do it on purpose. They're moving it with the advert, so you're not able to read it. Okay, let me see. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, it's here. After the arrest, Sibiya was said to have pointed out the crime scene and described how. Hey guys, listen. Let me just read from here. I think I'll be better here. Okay. After his arrest, Sibiya said to have pointed out the crime scene and described how the shooting occurred. Additionally, a traditional healer. Additionally, the traditional healer linked Sibiya to the M before and after the shooting. Gininda asserted that both Sibiya and Tanzi willingly confessed and understood the nature of their confession. However, during the proceedings on Monday, Sibiya, serving as the first defense witness, adamantly maintained his innocence, asserting that he never admitted to Meyiwa's and claimed that to not know about the essing. Okay, the police started assing him. Okay, now we have to begazela, guys. Okay, until I figure out how to do this without getting this disturbance that I'm getting here. Okay. The police started asking me when I said I knew nothing about the Sibiya said I never admitted to any involvement in the Meyiwa case. Sibiya revealed that in March 2019 he had been arrested on a D-related charge and subsequently subjected to severe physical abuse and torture by the police for over an hour and a half. Okay. And then it says this abuse was reportedly aimed at it was aimed at extracting information about Meyiwa's passing. Sibiya was later released without appearing in court. On May 30, 2020, the court heard that Sibiya was arrested again. He described being taken to various locations, questioned by Meyiwa, and subjected to further beatings and torture by the cops. He further claimed that he eventually urinated on himself due to the trauma. It was during this time that he was interviewed by Colonel Nhlanganyelwa Mboto and allegedly made an admission under duress. However, Sibiya told the court that he signed documents presented to him without reading them and having them read to him, and that Mboto never read his rights. Everything that happened to me was not on my own free will. Even that which happened to Mboto was not my own free will, he testifies. Okay, so basically Muzi Sibiya is saying that whatever it is that Gininda said about them admitting to the M of Senzo Meyiwa was not true. If they did admit to anything, it was because of the treatment that they got when they got arrested. They were AS'd in the hands of the police. So guys, this is South Africa, you guys. So at the end of the day, I don't think there's anybody that can sit here and say, listen, SAPS, they will never do something like that. We can't say it, okay? So when somebody claims that at the hands of the police, they were forced to do certain things through violence, we can't even defend it, okay? We can't even defend our police force because it's a possibility that it happened that way, you guys. But it still doesn't mean that these guys are innocent because we don't know. Some of us are watching. I watch with that mentality that I don't know what happened. I'm just looking forward to finding out what the truth is. But as it stands, you guys, Muzi Sibiya is saying that if he confessed to anything, it's because of the treatment that he was getting at the hands of the police. He was subjected to violence. So that's what that happened. If he signed anything, it's because he was forced to sign it. Okay, what are you gonna do if you think you're about to die at the hands of the police? But what Gininda said was not true. Guys, I think the worst thing would be for all of this, like Gininda claiming that these guys make confession to not be true, because that would mean that like our police force is really like rotten. It's more rotten than we thought, if that is true, you guys. Okay, the best case scenario for us citizens is to find out that these guys are lying. They did confess to that murder. It went the way that Gininda is saying that it went. Because if Gininda is lying, then it's like, justice system rotten. Okay, so those are the stories that I wanted to talk about today, you guys, because I wanted to be off early so that I can start work on David's table updates. Thank you so much for joining me. Gininda agabambegi. I don't know, you guys. Somebody did say that he has had other similar cases the way he has been accused of something similar to this one, where people are forced to admit to crimes that they never committed. That in itself, I guess, makes you feel a little bit uncomfortable about the evidence that he presented in court. But we will never know, you guys. I was hoping that 2023 was the year that we were going to get to the end of the Senzo Meyiwa case. It didn't happen. I'm hoping in 2024. Why am I saying 2014? 2014 is the year that this whole thing happened. Can you believe it? It's been that long. 2024 is the way that it will be concluded, but I wouldn't even hold my breath, you guys, because we are so far from it. Anyway, you guys, that's all that I wanted to talk about today. Make sure that you like this video before Pumegiona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. I'll make a plan on how I read articles now, because they've done something funny with the articles moving around with the adverts, so we're not able to read them live, but we'll make a plan. We shall make a plan. If we have to copy them to another page so we can start. That's why my reading was a mess today. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys. Do enjoy your day. I will see you later on, and watch out for some other videos that I will post today. Hey, Good morning, my sweets. Please don't report on me ever. There is a story that I passed on, actually. I was like, let me give Sigi a break. I said a week ago, I was like, hey, yeah, this is a nice one, but hey, let me give my girl a break now. Listen, it depends how much mkosi we have. Sometimes in Dala, mkosi, and you're like, let me gossip even about people that are my friends now, because there's no mkosi, there's no other. I saw that story and I was like, I know, let me do other stories. So you must pray that when they talk about you, there's other things, going on. I even saw one today. I was like, hey, here's another one. So it depends later on if there's enough gossip for me. But thank you so much for supporting my channel, guys. Please check out Moya and Ziggy's podcast, okay? Spiritual stuff, okay? Go check out her channel over there. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegiona. Share it with your friends. And now you're and thank you so much for watching.